Welcome to Drawliper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to change refresh rate or motion smoothness in your Samsung Galaxy S24 phone. Now the first thing you have to do is go to your settings app. From here scroll down a bit and then go to display. From here go to motion smoothness. Now from here you can see two options, adaptive and standard. If you select adaptive, then your phone will running with 120 Hz. And if you select standard, then your phone will running 60 Hz. Also, if you select 120 Hz refresh rate, then you can get a smoother animation. Also, if you select 60 Hz refresh rate, then you can get a longer battery life. Now, if I select adaptive and then tap on apply, now you can see in my phone refresh rate has been changed. And that is how you can change refresh rate or motion smoothness in your Samsung Galaxy S24 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.